Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix a network cable is not properly plugged in or may be broken. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Internet connection. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Click Advanced tab. Select Speed and Duplex. Change value to 100 Mbps full duplex, if same error still exists change to 10 Mbps full duplex. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.